Nanning is very curious.
When you write, your tone influences how readers respond. With Grammarly, just highlight your text and type how you want to sound.
Is this for Sky?
This next song is brought to you by...
Hey! It's my baby's favorite. Hey!
Look upon your face if I know for 1 second you'll be burning.
Kiss, mommy, kiss. Stinky, ew, stinky, stinky. This is from Costco. Nainit ko lang. This is from Costco and Costco again. And sushi toppings. Bibingka. Puton. And yung peras ng notang makulit.
Ano, ang galing alagaan yan eh. Ito.
Kala mo talaga.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Try it again.
Hi, mommy. You saying? Hi, mommy. Naantok pa eh.
Antok pa yan. Saan punta mo? Day. Day, saan punta mo, Day? Doon? Kaya nga eh. Knock knock. Go. Saan punta? Wanna go, Lolo? Go to Lolo? They're cooking bread na ako. Ang bake ng bread. So good. Bye-bye.
Kanina, ilalabas-labas na siya.
Bye-bye. Where are you going?
Bilis mo mag-diretso siya.
Ayun na si Daddy. Ayun na si Daddy. Ayun na siya. Ayun na. A very typical day in Vancouver. Freaking raining. On a holiday, for sure. Again. Pika. Boo. Pika. Boo. Crab. Pika. Boo. Pika. Boo. Pika. Boo. This is us at 12 midnight. Bugs. I'm tiring her kasi kagigising niya lang from her nap. And hindi to magsisettle down until she is tired and hungry again. Up. Kamot pa more. Oh, slide na si Sky. Hey, slide 1. This is so scary. Baka mo ano siya ba? That's how she's gonna learn. Yay! Come here. Let's go. She's gonna do everything for attention. Uh-oh.
Mas ang bilis mo lumaki.
Lumimiplas yung tatay. Ready ka na maghabol na may pamalo.